right, guys, let's jump into it. It's August 18th here. As far as earnings goes this week, not seeing too much we gotta worry about. There's Walmart and Zoom, there's Target. Those are kind of the main ones. Home Depot. Looking at the calendar, just housing market news at 10. Tomorrow we look good. Wednesday is FOMC minutes. And Thursday, there's a lot of news there. All right. Yeah, I got you the screen share, sorry. All right, it should be up now. All right. Starting here with NQ, looks like we're kind of in a downtrend here overall. I'm gonna be watching this 23, 750, 735 area. This is intraday resistance. If that breaks, real support's gonna be around 23, 700. We'll just have to see what happens. As far as upside, I would like us to, hold above 23, 800 and potentially 23, 850 if we can. SPY's chart looks different than NQ by a good amount here. Kind of are riding the 642 support area on SPY. So SPY kind of looks like it's holding up a little bit more. I'm gonna be watching if we hold 642 and if we get above 645. Going down the list, Apple here. Not much going on with Apple, to be honest. AMD fell back into the range. Amazon's consolidating here. Coinbase bounced off 310 pre-market. I'm not a fan of that though. I would want to see that set up more. Circle, there's nothing. Google, nothing really here either. When Google gets up to 209, that'll probably be where we start to really look at Google. So we could get that 209 area into 210. That could definitely happen later in the week. Hood's not doing anything. Meta pulled back into the range. So it's looking like a lot of things fell back into their previous ranges. Microsoft flat. See, Nvidia broke the range here at 179 and then came right back into it. Tesla. Tesla looks like the only valid thing to watch here. We could watch that pre-market low around 327. There's like a triple bottom in that area, and that has room to 325. So Tesla is looking like the only thing I'm going to be looking at today, and this is kind of like not even a crazy setup, so we'll just have to see. Everything else is kind of just in a weird spot, which is okay. But yeah, so we'll be back here in about 25 minutes and go over what's the closest, guys. And yeah, so we'll be back. Tesla 327 and the 325 is honestly all I like. So we'll be back, guys.
an aggressive recovery, maybe we could find something. But for the meantime, it's just 327.
Hey, quick question aside. Hey, I'm being asked for the three when they purchase the 3 months, does that automatically charge again or no?
Like if they're buying it at the moment, yes.
But
Why
it won't it
does
won't be
someone
on
want
a
to?
subscribe based.
No, yeah, it is always subscription. If they just want
Okay,
to
so
cancel it
once the three
immediately,
months are
they
over, it'll automatically charge again.
correct. Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Meta 773. I was gonna mention that. That's actually a pretty good side watch. It sucks because there's two things about it. It sucks because it's playing in the range that Meta's been stuck in, but it is a really clean flat bottom on Meta. Um, so that's the only thing you have to keep in mind with it. It is something I am looking at. Just keep in mind that it is playing inside of a range, so the possibility of a fake out is a lot higher. But I do like that level. I'm not sure about 773. Maybe around 772.50 or 772 is where I like that more. I think 773 may be doing a little too early in my eyes.
Yeah,
Do I like
Brock.
UNH 315? I know one person who likes it. I just need someone else to like it, and then I'll look at it.
I'm right here. That's what I have ready.
There you go,
Bet.
guys.
All
All
right.
right. So it's what
You
I
Yo,
I
fake.
would I've always told you, chat. I need two people to like a side watch list set up, and then I'll look at it.
wait.
Who's that?
Other than that, what do you like?
Meta at
Tesla.
773 and Tesla. Well, not 773. Sorry, 772, and then Tesla at 327.
So we're like, wait,
Meta
Tesla.
just Meta just dropped $6. So,
Yeah, and then
but
Tesla's. You like the downside?
yeah, I told George I wouldn't mind upside, but it needs to be aggressive.
Yo, is UNH's contracts valid?
Yeah, I mean at least for Friday they were. I'm not sure about now, but
Yeah.
320s Nor seems like it.
What'd you say,
That's
Frankie?
what
You're
I
talking to
have
me?
loaded. That's what
Yeah,
I have loaded, but
320s.
On what? Oh, yeah.
All right.
They're expensive. What Tesla? No, UNH.
As far as an entry, guys, I don't know. This is
That's
a
what I
newer
call them
stock.
for.
yeah, I think they're gonna be pretty expensive because I think they closed at 250 and that was $10 ago.
Yo, that was $10 ago.
I got
worst
Med on the side ready to go, but I need to switch to that.
worst case
I won't be able to do that. I don't have my screen.
worst case 325s and 330s aren't bad either with open interest.
I should have
I don't know if
swung.
they'll be good, but
Which ones you said?
25s or the 30s. It's not terrible open interest, but
I'll see right now once it opens when I
yeah,
have
yeah, for
time.
sure.
It has open interest though. 320s. Just 1 second left. Let's see. It didn't even open the
It's not even.
contract.
I was gonna say the stock's not even like quote
It's
unquote
one of
open
those,
yet.
huh?
It's under
Mother.
the New York.
Yeah.
All right, Tesla had to jump, so we're good off of that. Tesla's or Meta just never mind.
What? It's
Yeah.
over?
Yeah, I mean, it basically,
Oh
yeah,
my god.
it's pretty much over.
Fuck. We switching?
Oh, nah, I mean, I'm not. I
Oh
missed
my!
my
It
entry.
broke
That's
from
it.
770. Now fuck
All right,
that.
it's open now.
Oh lordy low! I told you I was gonna have that ready too.
Well, chat, if you guys took my meta idea, you guys would have been up nicely. That's for
Rich.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, that was nasty. And that was super quick.
All right, switch to UNH now.
Yeah, that's what I'm on right here.
These aren't too bad for the price.
Nope. They're valid. How much are these? I mean, how much volume? Oh, okay, 300. All right, guys. Looking at the 320 calls on UNH, I might do something spectacular and take it at 314. We never know, so just be ready. Damn, meta. Mother flipper, bro.
Still going? Yeah.
Yeah, 766.
I don't even want to know. I don't even want to look see where I sold or none of that.
Yeah, how much would you be up,
765.
George?
Huh?
So how much would you be up?
764.
Chat.
If it gets close to 760, I'll get it ready.
You know, nobody fucks with meta or something. It's wild. All right, guys. I'm looking at the 320 calls on UNH. It is a very volatile stock. You do not have to go in heavy. This works out. This will pay a very big percentage. Meta's getting fucked. All right, UNH is getting close to that 314. You can wait for 315 if you like. I plan on taking this early at 314. Oh, I have this on the 5-minute candle. Nice. I was looking at the 5-minute. I'll tell you what I fill at as soon as I get in, because they move pretty quickly. 761, Frankie.
Good volume. Yeah, bro. What am I
Yeah,
supposed to
Meta.
bouncing
do?
that.
760. If this stock is free falling like it's 2008 again.
Oh well. I mean, whatever.
Yeah, I need to bounce on that, bro.
George, you little quiet over there. What you doing?
I'm not taking that, bro. I took it earlier. I'm not touching it right now. Give
You
me a
wanted to
small
bounce?
bounce here. Yeah. We're getting it here slightly.
Yeah. I just, do we switch?
I'm not gonna lie. I may have to say screw UNH, bro. I don't even trade this.
Fuck.
That's a steep drop though. That's $15 off the open.
Off the open. It's literally off the open. It's 2 minutes into, not even yet 2 minutes. This is the 3rd-minute candle that bounced.
That's what I'm saying too. It's like I'm sure it'll be a good break, but it won't be nothing like the 772 one.
Motherfucker. You know what's crazy though? These UNH contracts didn't really get piped like that.
What are they? I mean, I haven't been.
$4, but they were trading on like when I was about to get in, it feels like 480. I feel like, right?
Let's see.
So this is
The peak on these contracts when it was getting stuck at that 50 cent level was $5.
yeah,
yeah,
and it's
honestly,
420.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
It's not bad at all.
I got a major problem today, and my day hasn't even started. All right, guys. Sometimes you miss things because you're being patient. Is what it is. Someone said Tesla has never had a single red candle. Damn, no plays on this? Absolutely not, brother. Even if it has 40 more candles like that.
Actually
No
had
plays.
2 here. Back to
Oh.
back.
Yeah. Still
Nvidia
strong.
hasn't had a Nvidia actually hasn't had a single red candle yet. There's not a play
No,
yet.
yeah, the video's popping off.
Yo.
I'm not touching that till 184.
Exactly.
Yo,
So there's nothing here. Meta's coming back down. We got a red candle here now on the market. Let's see what happens.
yeah, I think it
I
looks
think we
better
have to
now.
switch that.
Say that again, Nor.
I think we have to switch to that in like 30 seconds. If UNH doesn't start popping above 311.50 here, might be quiet.
Yeah, fuck this stock. I'm going to meta.
Bruh. All right. I'm scalping it though. Like,
Nah, same
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Yeah. There's no reason to. I don't think at this
yeah,
point
it has
it's
to
not
be the
worth it.
750. I'm looking at the 750 puts on Meta. This is scary because I'm barely ready for this. Huh? One sec, bro. One sec. Ah. All right, I'm ready. All right, guys. My alert's at 760.27. I don't know where Frankie's at. I'm looking at the
30 cents.
750 puts. All right. I'm looking at the 750 puts. Very expensive. I'm in. 680 is my fill. That's pretty late. Ew. Oh, 720 a contract, 735.
I sold right there.
I sold
Nice.
that too.
Mhm. I got
Beautiful. I sold there too.
652 to
Wow.
711, so that's pretty good.
Nice.
I'll take that.
And another 1400 there. Good shit, Kevin. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice, Kevin.
What happened with Kevin?
It's just a scalp with you guys.
Bullshit, brother.
Bullshit, bullshit. Yup.
UNH is slowly creeping up. It's at
Yeah, I'm about to
311.
switch back over to that.
But figured to mention that for
personally.
Nor.
All right. I'm trying to get out of Meta. I didn't get to sell with you guys. I'm gonna sell on the break of 759.
You got time here. I'll let you know.
All right. I was trying to get a limit fill. That was the problem. But I'm gonna sell it right here on the break. There's 10 cents away, guys. It's actually a pretty decent.
That's
move.
looking
Right
good
there.
right there, Nor. You should get this right here.
Right
There
here,
you go.
broke. Oh my God, 760 a contract, guys.
Wow. Wow.
Shit. Shit.
I missed out on an extra 1,000 right there, Frank.
How much would you be up if you held your original one, though?
Yo, my buy was 325.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Shit.
Yeah, my buy was 323 actually. That's crazy.
Where's UNH?
Nah, you got time. Below
Yeah, don't
310
even
right
worry
now.
about it.
All right.
Hey, that's a good train of thought right there, Nick. That's why me, Frankie, even Nor, we just scalped it. You know what I mean? It was quick. So that's a good train of thought right there. I like
Wait,
that.
don't get me wrong. Like 760 is the bottom of the range on this, but because of how big of a drop it had, it kind of exhausts all the the big moves for the day.
Yeah.
So that's why you
We're
stick
above
to a scalp at that point.
We're getting above 311 here now on UNH.
Oh, word.
Yeah.
I guess I'll
Yes,
get it ready. This stupid stock that made me
it's
miss
coming
tomorrow.
in here quick, pretty
Wow.
pretty quick, Nor.
All right.
It just hit
You still like
312.
312? I mean 314?
Yeah. Give me one sec. Yo, just keep me updated with that.
I got you. I got you.
The way this is moving, bro, I think you gotta
Yeah.
pull it out soon. Pause.
Pause.
I said pause. I said pause.
That was
Alright.
crazy.
A little crazy.
I have. I've only sold half of Meta. That's the problem. I have to sell the rest here. Just give me one sec. I just need this to. Yes, there we go. New low coming in high. I'm planning to sell the rest on the 758 break.
Still at
I'm only-
312, so you're fine.
All right.
Yeah, it just pulled back a little.
That's more than a pullback.
I mean, for this, it's a small pullback.
Yeah,
The way
no,
his shit's moving.
It was just funny. They had a green to red candle.
Oh, yeah, you're
All right.
Being chilling.
Being chilling. Low key, I want to go back and scout that. If it gets, no, I'm not. Never mind.
I want to, but I personally think at that point meta's just overextended.
Guys, I plan on adding to this trade right before I. So look, I'm planning on adding at 758.50, and then I just added. Oh my god, it's $8 a contract just broke right through. Here we go. 7 cents left for 757.
Bruh, it didn't let me add. I mean,
You're
get
you're
in.
fine on UNH, by the way. So
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, we broke.
Wow.
I'm out. That was annoying, bro. All right. Where am I on UNH? Oh,
no, you're fine. Yeah.
motherfucker. Fucking rush that shit. I had to retype the limit price like 5 times on Meta. That was annoying.
Good stuff, fellas. Good stuff. I still think UNH is possible.
The way that stock moves, yeah, for sure.
Bro, Friday it was stuck for hours before I caught that shit.
Dang, that would have been a good scalp right there, Frank.
Hell
On
yeah.
Meta?
Yeah.
Meta? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just
I couldn't switch. I couldn't swap over fast enough though.
Yo, I haven't looked at the 1 minute candle since the day started. I've just kept it on the 5 minute.
on Meta or UNH.
Meta.
Wow.
Like I have no idea how it looks on the 1 minute. I'm about to look though.
A little sporadic.
A little sporadic.
I'm in here on Meta. There's a gap, right?
Yeah, it's on the
Bounce
one
right off
here.
the gap.
It doesn't start anytime soon though.
Oh no, yeah,
Oh.
it's not till 7:45.
Yeah.
Nah. It's right here.
Nah.
If you go to the daily chart right now, it starts at 7:45:31.
No, I'm looking at it the way Maki looks at the
Oh,
gaps.
with yeah, technically there is one then there.
Yo, can we get W's in the chat? Who called Meta? W's in the chat, please. W's.
Peak sell. Peak sell.
Oh, we got 200 new messages already. Let's get to 400. Let's see how fast we get to 400. 400. Discord likes to slow us down. We're at 250. Get us to 400. If we get to 400, that means UNH is going to happen.
Oh,
We're at 300. We need 100 more. Just if everybody presses 1W, we're at 1,000. W. Break it. Whoa, that's crazy. Meta, that would have been my stop loss. Meta just hit my stop loss if I was in. But you weren't. All right. We're just waiting for UNH to happen. Other than that, there's nothing other than if you haven't signed up to Moomoo, then I'm mad at you.
There should be no reason why you haven't signed up for Moomoo yet, honestly. It's literally just free NVIDIA stock. I got a BlackBerry stock, so.
BlackBerry? BlackBerry stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's one of the meme stocks that was booming back in the day during COVID times.
With GameStop.
But I'm with like
AMC.
BlackBerry out of everything, bro. Trash. I was thinking the other day, how is Snapchat a fucking stock still?
That was
Like,
booming back in the day during COVID too. Meta's like the only social media platform that actually like stood tall after everything settled.
The W's are still going, Nor.
Yeah, I know. It's because Discord is laggy about it.
Alright, Tesla's kind of nothing there for me personally. Might be done here.
How much time are we giving this? We're only 16 minutes in.
Nice cushion for the week.
Uh,
14?
do you want to give it till 10?
Yeah.
I was thinking
14
10:30.
minutes. 10:30?
Yeah, because that's
Alright,
usually
we'll
when
see.
that's like the average time when we're all
Put
done.
profits in the profits chat, guys. I see nobody in the profits chat.
I don't know if I'm bugging for that one, George, but
No, you're not. I like, because to be honest, I think that should be regardless. Even if you're say you're done trading, still getting that extra, screen time. I think that's very valid. Logan, okay, put that in the profits chat, brother. Good stuff.
Do you guys want a scalp that's just like a normal scalp in and out or no?
Tesla,
Yeah,
In and Out Records.
in and out records. Let me see. Hold
STR.
up. How much are these?
I'm good on that.
Kyle.
Yeah, no cap, huh? What kind of question is that?
Yo, guys, I'm looking at 340 calls. It's a quick one. The level's 333.50. I know we broke it earlier, but we only wicked above 333.50. I'm looking at the 340 calls on Tesla. Unless UNH is coming back, then how much are these 440? Looking at Tesla 340 calls, entries right below 333.50 to scalp. I gotta lower my alert.
There is a
Alright.
1 hour
My
trend to worry about, Nor.
my early alert just triggered for UNH. It's at
What?
311. No, it's just to like notify me, but it is
Oh,
at
yeah.
311 now.
Yeah, Benji, that's pretty far. I'm just scalping.
Oh yeah, I was just letting you know.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, White Chocolate.
All right, market's pulling back. Tesla's doing all right, holding up here. Let's see how much it holds up. If it doesn't, no problem just to get off this stock.
UNH about to be at 312.
Yo, someone want to check flow in the chat real quick? Wait, can you cover me on Tesla? Give me 5 seconds.
I'm switching to UNH. That's an aggressive recovery on a stock like
Oh,
that.
oh shit.
Yeah, 312.50 right now.
All right. 320 calls,
Three-
right?
313 on the ask.
All right. We're looking at the 320 calls on UNH. Guys, cover me. Need help.
What you mean? Like,
Got it.
oh, like if it gets close?
I got it. Yeah.
Alright.
I was just getting flow. I put it in the chat. Oh, they're coming in hot. One just came in for 640,000.
I know that's you, bro.
Big big red candles here in the market.
How did Tesla do? Oh, thank God. UNH doesn't move with that shit.
Yeah, QQQ.
It only moves with CEOs.
Uh-oh. Yo, what are we doing?
Where do y'all like? Where are y'all trying to get?
314
314?
still Nor.
That for me, yeah.
All right.
Like 313.70 is y'all's alert?
313.86 personally.
Mine's mine's at 80 right now. I'm not too familiar with the stock, so I'm gonna just play it safe.
QQQ just made a low of the day.
Oh shit. All right. We're looking at 320 calls on UNH. I'm in. $5 a contract. A little early, but I just feel like I have to do that. It's about to skip over some shit. $5 a contract is what I filled at, guys. The target is 316. I need this to hold 314. I don't care if it pushes above. I just need it to hold above 314. And obviously you have the psychological level at 315 or whatever the case may be. But right now it's just holding is what's most important. Market's dropping hard. We're back to $5 a contract here. Remember, this is the volatile stock I was talking about.
I stopped out right there.
Okay. I'm still in. I went in lighter so that I can hold just in case I need to do these pullbacks. And then I plan on adding at 315 as long as 314 holds first, not a push straight from 314. All right, guys, my finger is on the sell button here. $311.25 is my hard stop. I put my alert there. $311.25. If we push back up, I'm not adding till at 315. Stop loss is 311.25. So if you hear that go off on your end, just that's that. I'm out too. I'm not giving it a sec to close above or below. This is alert went off. I'll retry this. Tesla's still at 332 here. And Nvidia is kind of trading at 182, which is nowhere near where I need it. The earliest would be like 184. The only two plays here is if UNH comes back, I'll take it. And then Tesla at 333.50, I would take. Those are the only two that I have now. All right, Tesla, I'm looking at 340 calls, guys. I guess that's the closest here. QQ have low day, Tesla's consolidating. UNH at low day. Nvidia struggling as well. Frank, you taking this?
Yeah, I like it. At that 50-cent level. Would you be interested to trying this at 330 if if it starts to show weakness?
The downside?
Yeah. Or not? If it's a no, then it's just a no. I don't think we should entertain it too much. But I figured with
Nah.
NQ pushing now and Tesla like kind of struggling to show its own strength, I think that's why I brought it up.
We'll see how it gets there.
Yeah, QQQ is downtrend. 1 minute downtrend break isn't half bad.
How far is it?
It's like 20 cents away.
Mm.
I'm looking at 577 as a play here. It's gonna be too quick for me to signal or tell you guys the risk per trade. It's pulling back, it's taking a breather. So if I'm playing this 577 break on QQ, the
Let me
risk is
get
gonna
this
be about
straight.
25
You're
bucks
saying
a
that
contract.
We and everything around us are made by AI professionals on Fiverr?
Yep.
Well, if they're so professional, why did they make this coffee taste like soap?
I'd be careful with that skepticism, Gary.
Why? You think they'll use their godlike powers to get back at me? Huh. You know what? Bring it on. Oh, you're leaving me? For him? What do you mean you can't get out? What are you doing? Don't you know your own son? Does anyone smell anything?
Yo, Tesla
I
has a
think there's been
downtrend
some
too
kind of
that it's
mix-up.
breaking.
They're
I'm getting
screaming
ready.
your name from beyond the grave.
They're both gonna play out same time, I think.
Yeah, that's fine. They can choose which one they want. You told them the contracts you're looking at?
Yeah, 77 calls.
577. Guys, I'm looking at 340 calls on Tesla. Just broke a downtrend on the 1 minute and 5 minute. Nothing crazy. Still looking at the same level.
Let me get
There
this-
it goes. Not playing this early. I'm just gonna wait here. Just in case QQ struggles. Frankie, what's your alert?
Same as you, 50 cents.
All right.
George, you like this or no?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Alright.
Tesla looks stronger than the market. But they're both gonna occur at the same time.
The thing with
Contact-
Tesla is it's stuck in a like range right now. So I think it's hard to tell if it's strong or not right now.
It's always that way with consolidation breaks.
Yeah.
1 hour trend is at 334.26 on Tesla. So I got about $1, if that, on Tesla.
And Q is back below.
Dang. All right, guys, 20 cents here from entry. 333.40 for me. Wow, market pulled back. All right, so this does look better. Just gotta be careful. I don't want to get in early. I'll tell you my feel as soon as I get in, obviously. All right, it could happen at any moment here, and it's gonna be quick, so just make sure you're ready. I'm in. 435 is my fill. $435 is my fill on. Yeah, 435. Oh shit. 470. Oh my god. Contract didn't. Did it make a high there?
The contracts did. Yeah.
All right. 435 was my fill on Tesla.
I sold
How was it
half.
I didn't get to sell half. And honestly, the volume wasn't the greatest there. It was okay. Look at that pull. Oh, QQQ just pulled back.
I took profit on the rest of them. It happened too fast, like you said. The volume wasn't the greatest there either.
That was a crazy QQQ candle there, though. 576.60 to 576.20.
Yeah, he did mention touch it.
It was 20, not even. It was 10 cents away from the 1 hour trend.
I sold at 463, so that wasn't terrible right there. That's a good scalp. Nice, bro. Had a 430 fill to 463.
This 5-minute candle is only 3 minutes in and it has more than the previous 5-minute candle.
You still liking QQQ, Maki?
Well, I don't think so, bro.
Alright, bet.
Because I kind of wanted it to play out as the downtrend broke, just so I could tell there's volume.
Gotcha.
If I play it now, it's no longer a downtrend break. It would just be considered a whole number play.
Gotcha.
But I do have a play, like it's getting close. I just gotta wait it out.
UNH is trying to come back here.
Yeah, I'm watching how it plays out, how it moves right now. Probably gonna be my last play here. If it comes back up, giving this another 14 minutes.
UNH's level is still at 3. You see that, George?
At yep.
It's at 313.55.
Exactly on the dot. 55.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Oh, it just changed to 55.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just changed.
I'll send it.
All right,
How come
guys.
yours changed? Oh my bad. My fault.
No, you're good. I'm about to hit my stop here on Tesla. I'm down about 12% here. So what happens here is if it hits 331.65, that's where my alert is at. I'm gonna stop out. I'll pretty much be break even on the day because of meta.
Hey, how come on mine it changed after that? After yours on that? Is it a different one?
No, I just refreshed.
Oh, okay. Because it changed as soon as I changed it to that chart, so maybe that's why, huh?
Yeah. So if you move charts, it'll refresh.
Pretty much break even on the day. I'm up $200. So break even green. I'm happy with my execution. I'm happy with my after meta, you know, sizing down and all that. So those kind of things, especially if it's a stock we don't normally play, you need to size down. Or just watch.
I'm down less than 10% right now on Tesla. If we get this correctly, I will add to my trade.
Starting to pick up some volume there, huh? Might switch
Yep.
to that.
Slightly. We're at 333 again. Contracts are actually better than before, it looks like. We'll see. But I have a hard stop at 331.65.
Where'd you say you were planning on adding, or you don't know? You're not sure yet.
333,
70?
77.
Okay,
Yeah, 77.
That's where I'll plan on retrying this. Which I say retrying, I made money on that other scout.
Yeah, you sold half above.
I sold half for. I had a buy of 430 and sold half for 463. And then sold the second half for only 15 cents, so it was a 2-to-1 there. Positive side. UNH is you don't like that anymore, Nor? I know you're.
I do, but I'm in Tesla.
Yeah. I'm not swapping over anyways till we hold above 312.50, which is not that far.
QQQ just pulled back. I want to see if Tesla can do its own thing because now we're breaking officially that trend, especially if this closes in the next second here. Yeah, we've closed above the downtrend break here. Before it was debatable, but now we're here. All right, well, we know where I'm adding, right? 330.77. And then I'm going to sell half above the high of what we had before, which was, let's say, 334.20 break. So half would basically be sold immediately because I expect that to happen quick if we break that 77 level. Contracts are doing great though, really good. See this? Because we entered at 333.40 and now contracts are already 420. So it's either the same or a little bit better rate. Contract. Maki, I need QVQ to start moving, buddy. We're good.
I'm on the same boat, bro.
When are you taking it?
I'm no longer taking it because the
Oh.
downtrend didn't. Yeah.
I thought there was another play, like a separate play.
Yeah, it's far.
Ask is fighting on Tesla. All right, QQ is moving. All right, George, we're 20 cents off.
Yes, sir.
I'm break even technically on this trade here, but I am looking to add at the 77-cent level and then selling half above the high. It was a little above 334, so. Yeah, look, this was the 1 hour trend. If I add a 333.77, my stop is gonna be 333.10. So it'd be an immediate hard stop there. So 60-cent stop when I add this trade.
Nate just trying to move here.
The what?
UNH trying to move again.
312. Is Frankie here? Here comes Tesla, guys. Getting ready to add.
QQQ's pushing
I
here.
know. It's fine. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. I added. Oh, there's a wall there. Holy. Guys, 20 cents, 334.20 is where I'm selling half on the break of that. How much? We're like 7 cents away right there. Let you know when I sell half. All right, market had a pretty decent green or red, and Tesla's still holding up. The only red flag is this stupid 1 hour trend, but I think we crack above that. At least wick. All right, here we go. 15 cents there from first target. 15 cents. Market's pulling back. Let's see what Tesla does here. Still holding up pretty strong. If it wasn't for that 1 hour trend, I'd zero worry in the world right now. Looks like it's gonna head up to 334.50 at least. So we'll see. That 1 hour trend does look serious though. You see this, George?
Yeah.
Let's see. I mean, only way to find out is here. Again, a rejection. Maki, what you think? I think we break through.
Yeah.
Could be wrong though. The 1 hour, I don't like when they mean too much.
I think we break through, but it could be slow. Like it could be just because of that trend over larger time frame.
I have a level at 334.48, so either way, we're in an area where there's a fucking level. So it sucks either way. But based on how it's moving against the market right now, it's doing everything right. It's all green flags. So if you'd like to take some profits off the table and just walk away and not take the risk if it breaks that trend or not, then this is where you make that decision at. For me, I'm just giving it a chance to see if we can do it or not. Remember, my stop loss since I added is now 333, so I'm not going to let it break 333. Market just pulled that card. Tesla's holding up. Let's see how long it holds up for. Again, if there's no 1 hour trend here, this is spectacular. But look at this candle from QQQ. Yo, Maki, chill. Chill.
I'm not gonna lie, it's moving weird today, bro.
Yo, $1.60 drop, $1.70 drop on QQQ.
Oh, Tesla's still holding up, bro. But I don't know for how long.
I know. I'm gonna probably hit my stop here soon.
UNH is above 313, man. Fudge. Still in Tesla here with you though.
Yeah.
Still looks good.
Look at that. Like this on Tesla. If there was no 1 hour trend, I'm holding to 5. Like this is crazy. Oh, bro, QQQ doesn't stop here. That's annoying. I just need to chill for 5 seconds. Yo, $2 drop on QQQ.
We're definitely in a range. I can already tell where it is.
What, QQQ?
On SPY, there's a range from 644 to 642.
Tesla is literally the strongest here, other than obviously. That's annoying, bro. QQ came to ruin Tesla. Frankie's still here? I'm guessing not. George, you watching?
Nah, I stopped out there. Because of QQQ. And I
George
wanted
is
to,
watching UNH, bro.
I am. I was just about to say that out. That I swapped over to UNH. I just don't like how aggressive that was. Eventually, I felt, I don't know. Trying to keep things tight right now. I have my alert at 78 cents, but it has to do the right things. It has to be super aggressive.
Bro, I swear, if UNH happens while I'm in Tesla right now, and Tesla doesn't happen, I'm being. I almost want to just leave this trade and switch to UNH, but Tesla versus UNH, I don't know how I feel about that. UNH.
Tesla's at the high of its consolidation range from Friday. So like 75 cents, it can't reject that level.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm selling a part. Sold a quarter here. Actually, you know what? Just because shit's been fucking around, I'm selling another quarter there. So I got half left. I'm holding for 315 here. Y'all gave y'all the alert. Hopefully some of y'all took it. If y'all don't want to fuck around with this is a good spot. 455 to 490.
Yo, someone let Frankie know.
He wants
In the middle, bro.
315.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, but it's right there.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Get UNH for Tesla, bro. How did those contracts do?
From that high, 455. My buy was 455 and I sold at 490.
That's good.
I'm getting ready to probably sell the rest of these if we don't start pushing ASAP. I don't want to fuck around here because it's gonna get a nasty pullback. Contracts are still doing well for now. If we make a new high and don't go straight to 1490 or 315, I'm gonna.
For the ones who build it, fix it.
Bro, Tesla, I got 2 more minutes.
Share
of patience
responsibility for these failures. Most recently, the actions of South Sudanese leadership have signaled de facto abandonment of the
Part of me wants to sell the rest of what I got here and then retry it. No, never mind. We're good here. Come on. There we go. 84, 85, 90. What I say right there, 90. Should go straight to 90 cents here. I'm gonna sell half of what I have. As soon as we break 315. And then I'll see what we can do on the last quarter there. Starting to wick though, I don't like that.
Did it reject just at 315?
5 cents away.
Oh yeah.
Don't like that. All the way down to 314. 314 needs to hold here. I would love for this to. Let me see, we got 5 seconds. If this closes above 50 to 60 cents here, would be nice. Got my alert ready right as soon as we break 315 to sell another quarter, and then profits are really off there. Contracts are still doing well. They're higher than what I sold earlier, so $5 at the moment. So it's up to y'all if y'all don't wanna take the risk here.
I just got the alert for UNH.
Here we go. 8 cents here on the ask. Bid needs to just let go here. 6 cents on the ask. 4 cents. New high. Again, contracts are at $5, so from 455 to $5.
No way the stock used to be a $700 stock.
Yeah. UNH is breaking, I think. Yeah, it's wraps. What's the ask right now on UNH? 97.
Like 90?
It broke. Damn. George, you still in?
I sold everything there. I started getting a call, and I need to take this call real quick. Depending on what it does, I might retry that. But yeah, I sold the rest of it.
Where the hell is Frankie, man?
No, no.
I tried. He can't. He can't say anything.
What you mean?
He'll be like, "Oh, George and Maki never, they never at me when the." It's
Yeah,
just an
show
inside joke.
Tesla. Shit is taking too long.
Wow, that had to take that fucking call, bro. It was a big. It was a call that I've been waiting on. How you looking here, Nor?
Nah, I got out of Tesla. It's taking too long.
Man, peak sell there on UNH. Whoever took that, I gave y'all the alert. Went straight to 315. Pretty smooth, actually. 518 was my last sell, and my buy was 455.
That's fire, George.
Thank you. It wasn't like that crazy one from Friday. Friday though, Nor. It was good enough. Nah, should not be doing that, Sin. There's no way those contracts held up for an hour. No way. Stop losses is super important. I'm almost 800 bucks on that trade. Yup. Positive 300. Break even 300. Positive. It's fine. Take it. And you break even then, Bob. On the trade, on that one that I just gave you, I made 800 on that. On the day though, I'm only up 300, so break even 300 positive side. There anything else you're looking at, Nor?
not gonna lie, it's looking like a cash day for me. So I'll head out. If I see anything, I'll alert. I'll let you guys know.
That was more. I didn't want to give that heads up there on that one because that was a lot more riskier than the first one, in my opinion. But yeah, I just caught that. I see some of y'all did as well, so good stuff. I'm holding a quarter here. New high. This needs to go straight to 45 cents here. $0.10 here. I'm probably gonna sell everything else on this 50-cent break. 550 a contracts, nice. Oh, I'm up 800 on the day now. After that one, made another 600 there. I just sold. All right, that's it for me. Hopefully everybody did good. Start off the week. It's Monday. Don't want to go crazy. Remember, after a good trade like on Meta, I was up nicely on Meta. After that, I just sized down. So on a hard day, you want to just secure some profits and all that, and then from there, just keep everything light. Trying to get cushion for the week. Hopefully everybody has a good day. Make sure y'all join the lesson here tonight. Peace.
Hey, does anyone know how to get the tag, the stock hours for life thing?
I think the directions are on the general announcements.
Perfect. I appreciate it.
Just scroll up a little bit, and it's on 8/13, August 13th.
Market is so dead right now, so I'm just gonna watch around right now. Gonna eat some food, but yeah, I mean it's pretty shit right now, so I'm just gonna chill right now and watch. I'm red on the day, but not bad red, so that's good. But yeah, be back in like a bit.